When we discuss works of culinary greatness, we often overlook that of the simple but amazing pastry. Today, we'll look to change that and discuss the Pastel De Nata. Originating from Lisbon, the Pastel De Nata is a delectable pastry that dates back to the 18th century. It was created by Catholic monks in Belém. These tarts were a way to use up leftover yolks after using egg whites to starch cloves. As the monastery neared closure, the recipe was sold to a nearby sugar refinery, whose owners opened the Fábrica de Pastel de Belém in 1837, still one of the most famous bakeries for these tarts today. The beauty of the Pastel de Nata lies in its simplicity and the perfection of its contrasting textures. The outside is a crisp, flaky pastry, baked to a golden brown finish, often spotted with the signature black or brown blisters that come from a high temperature oven. This encases a smooth, creamy custard, subtly sweet and flavoured with a hint of vanilla and cinnamon. Making these tarts involves a few key techniques. The dough must be laminated to create those beautiful flaky layers, and the custard should be cooked just enough so it's firm, but with a slight wobble. They are traditionally baked in a very hot oven to get that scorched finish, which adds depth to the flavour. Pastel de Nata isn't just a treat, it's a cultural icon in Portugal. Eaten as a breakfast pastry, a dessert, or just a snack during the day, it pairs wonderfully with a cup of strong coffee. Tourists and locals alike queue up at bakeries to get them fresh from the oven, and they're often dusted with cinnamon or powdered sugar before serving for an extra touch of spice. If you've never tried making Pastel de Nata at home, I encourage you to give it a go. It might take a bit of practice to perfect, but it's a rewarding and delicious endeavour. If you'd like to hear us talk about more areas of culinary greatness, culture and far more, please do like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.